Introducing the ManCan 128, the sexiest thing you will ever see in the door of your fridge.
There is not a better way to experience quality craft beer than the ManCan 128. Hands down.
It's a dream come true.
I know, it's a brewery in your fridge. Last year we produced over 100,000 units of the ManCan 64, but we need your help to produce this, the ManCan 128. It's the most incredible unit you'll ever see. It's a full gallon of beer, 128 ounces, in your fridge, served the way you like it.
The ManCan 128 is a personal keg system that you can take anywhere. Fill it with 1 gallon of your favorite beer at any brewery or growler filling station. It's indestructible, made with 304 stainless steel. It has a flexible tap system, and it's easy to clean. The 128 is a brewery-grade delivery system for your beer. It stays fresh for weeks. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite beer whenever and wherever you want. Open the tap, pour a glass.
We just need your help. We're producing the 64s, we want to produce the 128s, the ManCan 128, but we need your help with the Kickstarter campaign. As a ManCan Kickstarter backer, you're part of our tribe. Thank you.
This is Chef Tovala. This is the Tovala. Both Tovalas practice their crafts with the best ingredients, knowing that quality creates better nutrition and premium taste. They can prepare an entire meal with just the right combination of heating methods, switching quickly and easily between steaming, baking, broiling, and convection heating allows them to coax the best possible flavor and texture from each dish.
I've got to answer some emails and then finish this presentation tonight.
Yeah, and I've got this new project kickoff tomorrow. What are we doing for dinner?
Now you can get that same combination of premium ingredients, master dishes, and precision cooking at home with your own Tovala.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Simply scan the barcode on your MasterChef curated meal and put it into the Tovala. Just hit start and you're already cooking your Tovala meal. Just hit start. That's all you have to do. Hit start.
Oh.
Curated meals that are steamed, baked, broiled, and convection heated according to our chef's precise specifications, all in one device. Or use the Tovala with store-bought ingredients to prepare your own dishes. The Tovala was developed by a team of engineers, MBAs, and PhDs to make a chef's curation, versatility, and quality available in your kitchen every day. If only everything was as easy as using the Tovala. But back to reality. Come on. With Tovala, you can enjoy premium home cooking as often as you like, with superb results in 10 to 20 minutes every time. Yep, that good. Tovala. Live well, eat better.
Hello, I'm Ben. My friend Alex and I set up a company called Meiku. We want to change the way our things are made, and we're really excited about showing it to you today.
Well, we think anyone who wants to should be able to make their own things. So we're taking tools that you'd usually find in a factory, making small, simple versions of them. And today, we're releasing our first one.
Meet the Meiku Formbox. It's a factory that fits on your tabletop. It works with any vacuum cleaner and a whole selection of different materials. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The Formbox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop, so you can bring your first collection of products to life. start a business from your kitchen table. Use everyday items to customize your creations. Work with different materials, even chocolate, so you can make professional grade products good enough to eat. Sometimes you don't want to design something from scratch. Explore our online library of projects to see what other makers around the world are sharing. Even use maker machines like your 3D printer with the Formbox. Multiply versions of your prototypes without the weight and get a factory level of finish from your home or studio. We've meticulously designed the Formbox to fit with your life and your ambitions. Making should be simple and not take much time, so you can push the boundaries of what you can make for your customers, your friends, and for people all over the world. We've been testing it with makers and small businesses for the past year and developed a series of prototypes to get to a design we think you'll love. We're working with a great factory. We just need enough orders to start the first production run. And with your help, we can get the Formbox into the hands of makers everywhere.
We want to bring people closer to how their things are made and give them the tools that they need to create their own things, to turn their ideas into reality. And we need you with us to make this happen.
We think you're going to love making stuff with the Formbox. You can pre-order yours on the Kickstarter page today. There's a bunch of different rewards to choose from. Just pick one that's right for you. And it's the first machine that we want to build out of many. So with your support, hopefully we'll be able to make something amazing together.
It's really about using fresh food and making food with nice, fresh ingredients. We think Foodini could be a kitchen revolution, similar to how microwaves did it back in the 70s. Foodini ships with empty food capsules, meaning that you as the user actually buy fresh ingredients, you prepare the fresh ingredients for Foodini, and Foodini prints it out. With Foodini, you can do sweet foods, savory foods, we don't have the 6 hours a day that people used to have 50 years ago to make all our meals and snacks homemade. So it's really going back to making homemade, fresh food with fresh ingredients. So Natural Machines is a young company. We have a lot of enthusiastic, passionate people on board, people passionate about technology, passionate about food, and combining that together. We wanted to add that to the design element, to make it stand out, to make it special, but at the same point, to make it fit into your kitchen. An appliance that you would be proud to have on your kitchen at all times and show to other people. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, is helping people eat healthier, more nutritious meals using fresh ingredients.
Hey guys, try some cider.
So much.
Hey, how's it going?
Wow, this is great cider.
Yeah.
Is there raspberry in it?
And strawberry.
Awesome. Where'd you get strawberry raspberry cider?
I made it.
No way.
Yes.
How'd you make it?
It's easy.
Algema, Turn your fruits into alcohol at home in 3 easy steps. First, choose your recipe and press Start. Alkema will sanitize the pitcher to prevent contamination. Second, add the ingredients from your chosen recipe. The app will show how much you've added. Or create your own recipe. Add the yeast, which creates a fermentation, transforming sugar to alcohol. Then press the Finish button and let Alkema take care of the rest. Check the brewing status anytime on your phone, or just wait for it to tell you it's finished. This cider will be ready in 1 to 2 weeks. Mix and match flavors to create truly unique craft cider.
Who wants some apple cider?
Oh, you know I do. Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
For a special occasion or a little treat. Alkema.
Hi, I'm Oscar, the founder and CEO of Alkema. I love a good cider and have always wanted to be able to brew cider from home. In 2014, after seeing my friends and family struggle for years with trying to brew their own cider, I decided to create Alkema. We have completed product design and now need your support to go to mass production. Please fund us and start making your own party drinks at home. When craft cider is as easy to make as coffee, there's nothing to stop you from celebrating.